Hey everyone, we just did an unboxing of the Infinix Smart HD smartphone, and in this video going to run some benchmarking apps on this device and also run some high graphic intensive games to test out the gaming performance of this device. So let's get started. So before beginning the benchmarking apps and the gaming performance, so let's just round up the specs of the Infinix Smart HD and let's recall the specs of the device. The Infinix Smart HD features a 6.1 inches HD plus display. It's a drop-down notch display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it's an IPS LCD display with a 85% screen to body ratio. In terms of processor, we have an Helio A20 processor. It's an quad-core processor that's built on 12 nanometer process. And in terms of GPU, we have an AMG GE8300 GPU as well. In terms of storage, we have a 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and there's also micro SD card slot to expand the storage. For the RAM, we have 2 gigabytes of RAM, and for the battery, the device features a massive 5000 milliampere of battery that would last for 2 days at least in terms of moderate usage. In terms of software, the Infinix Smart HD features an XOS 6.2, that's a custom OS built by Infinix over the Android 10 Go edition. For SIM slots, we have dual SIM card slots along with a micro SD card slot as well. For the sound, we have DTS surround sound that would produce great sound while playing games. In terms of connectivity, we have Bluetooth 5.0, and the device would be available in three color variants, that's black, green and topaz blue color variant. So now let's run some benchmarking apps on this device. First, let's run the Geekbench, and here are the results of single core and multi-core results for the Geekbench. The scores are quite decent, and with Helio A20, these are the results that we quite expect. Now let's run the ANTU benchmarks, and here are the results of ANTU benchmarks. Overall, the results are quite decent for the price of 6,000 rupees, and with Helio A20, we can't expect more. So let's do some gaming on the device. So first we'll run Call of Duty, then we'll play Free Fire, and let's do the performance test of these games and let's see how well does it perform and what all settings are available for the games. So let's start with the gaming review and let's dive into the gameplay of the device, and you can be the judge how the game performs on these devices.